In this video, you'll learn how to add a product description on Stan Store. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully updated your product details for your customers to view. First, open your Stan Store dashboard. Look for the left sidebar, which contains various navigation options, labeled My Store. This will take you to the section where you can manage your products. Next, you will see a list of your current products. To add a new product, click the button labeled Plus Add Product. Alternatively, if you want to edit an existing product, simply click on that product from the list. This will open the product setup interface for the selected item. Once you're in the product setup, focus on finding the section labeled Description. This box is where you will input the details about your product. Make sure to provide a clear and informative description that accurately reflects what you are selling. After typing your product description, take a moment to review the information you've entered. Ensure that there are no typos and that the description is engaging for potential customers. Once you are satisfied with your input, look for the buttons at the bottom of the page. Click the button labeled Save or Publish to finalize your changes. This action will update the product information in your store. You may see a brief loading indicator as the changes are processed. Now, the description you added will appear on the product page for customers to see. This is an important step, as a well-written product description can significantly influence purchasing decisions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.